radio station where we say 24/7 with a broadcast to make sure say you hear the law, talk the law, and know your rights like never before. As we dey hear like this, the time don't reach again for another ogbonge episode of People's Courts. Another ogbonge episode of People's Courts don't reach like this. Where we say they sit down, they decide on two cases where we say put on carry come our side. Say see what this person do me, see what this person do me, see what this person do me, and like this, we'll call them. So yeah, make una sit down. Talk your own, talk my own, talk your own, talk my own, and we'll call reason I will go say road peace. And when I say we, normally, we boku we say we they gather this, don't they do this thing. Me, myself, and I, my name na YRAY, then they call me the people's ambassador. And yes, another person will be say the inside studio now, we correct Sabinus Council. You there there?
Yes, so YRAY, how you doing now?
I do.
I'll say you gallant.
I gallant. The way you take call my name, come like now our matter they carry con
you. Don't carry our matter come here. We get people who carry their matter come here. Now one can resolve like this.
Okay.
My name is Counsel Felix, aka they say that General Counsel. Either General Counsel, Counsel Felix who's a man, anyone where you call me, I go collect him.
Esquire.
We dey choir, we dey court now. The People's Court now we do so.
Yes, so and of course, our only one mama, we call you the wise one.
Make I collect food for pocket, even though my trousers not get pockets today.
Now help you hold now.
You go turn them back a bit.
I know, I trust
you. I hold them by myself. My name now Comfort Opere. If you call me Lady C, if you call me plenty things, and as I hear Esquire, it means say you don't choir before, now be ex-choir. So we go feed there for choir inside the choir itself.
Now
so,
the people some people get against lawyers.
I know say lawyer now choir levels we do. Council as you are here general, this is a general merchandise they want to. Sorry, general council. I did for studio too. Thank you.
You are welcome. Ayodeji.
Day.
All right. Also, as always, we get the one and only correct Sabinus judge for inside Sabinus magistrate. I beg your pardon. You know, say when name big, mistake is everlasting. Your honor, sir. Your worship, sir. No verse. Good afternoon to you.
Good afternoon. He just come from Abuja, so now he make
you see, now maybe you're they lose guard. Before you go tell us the scoop we get for us for Abuja, please, country people, make una help us. Welcome the chief magistrate who say go help us decide on this matter. Your worship, Akintunde Olufemi Isaacs. Welcome, sir.
Good afternoon, people at home. Good afternoon, listeners here and there. Here is People's Courts, and I hear they talk settle matter between people. We go be say nobody win, nobody lose. This afternoon we are at it again. You are welcome on board.
Yes,
thank you, your worship.
Thank you very much, sir. And yes, country people, you know the way we do them before. The two people we say get matter the day side studio. But before we go meet them, we would like meet our wise one. Make she tell us the sense we be say they inside today matter.
Today matter, you be say now only inside today matter the sense they are just they carry and arrange body because if he touch person here, if he touch person there. The topic where I carry come, I been look and find them where it will fit translate on top pigeon. I know see and I carry and go they translate for plenty other languages. But we go start with the English way. Now compassion they call her. Baby say it means say you they get pity, you they get sympathy, you they feel a yeah for person condition as human beings where we be. For Yoruba they say na anu, where we say normally na mercy. That's one, and the related word be that. They use them as the same. For language like Hausa they call them Tausai, like that. And Igbo people go say na Omiko. Go Swahili they say na Huruma. They call them. So say you they get compassion, you they get pity, you they get sympathy, you get mercy for people. Like say person say the person needs something. Even though sometimes some people they feel say they get entitlement, like say my entitlement to collect compassion. They see my condition. Some people they use fight to collect compassion. The thing come be like say they come they come they come out the passion come follow only they come they argue. Do you see my condition? You know who I is that you cannot have compassion. They drag compassion. Now person out of your own will go say, hey yeah. Want to say I see say too balance for ground onto money levels or onto family levels or onto personal level for myself, for my mind though. That's why I go hear people say with my church mind. It be like some people get two types of mind or several types of mind. Church mind, market mind,
Me I be get 2 but e don increase now. People's cut mind.
Okay, hey, go those type of mind. People will say I use my church mind to do this thing, you know. So meaning to say people they use one kind way reason matter. Say unto say we do something, you know, I suppose be like this. But with my church mind, the way be compassion, where we they talk, where French they call them compassion. Like I say the word back now from French and borrow and English. Say now I'd say make you leave the thing. We be say sometimes where person will use something, you normally you suppose collect and he don't tell you say you go give them. But onto compassion level, now our legal people say on compassionate grounds. My money for school fees no loss. Compassionate grants they make him they go. So no be say you deserve am o, but now unto from your mind, from your belly, from your church mind or mosque mind, say make the person go. Now be the thing why I carry come say as human being and as economy be so, make we dey try to reason compassionately o. So make we dey try to add compassion as stew, as a spice for how we dey take relate with people, because today na me need compassion, tomorrow e fit be you wey need am, because e no be say we dey plan how compassion waka dey be for this world. So make we dey look each other with the eye of God wey be compassion, wey be say God na God of love. Now I carry come today.
Thank you very much, wise one, for inside that information wey be say you take lay carpet for inside the matter. On top people's court for Law FM, if you dey house, you know how we dey do am normally. We go soon waka meet the people that wey be say carry matter come meet us for Law FM, and we go hear from them one after the other. Everly, as them they talk their tori, put here for ground o, so that you go fit call us. First of all, you go text us. The first one we say we go do now be say we go open phone line, make you text us. Anything where we say they bother you, anything where we say you want know, any question where we say you want ask them as they talk, the one where we say they buy them for body for inside this matter, you know how you dey do and you go send text message. And me on behalf of una when they call me the people's ambassador, I go table the matter for them, person way concern. But later, don't worry, for you when we say body they bite you, won't call us, no wahala. Bring your mind, calm down. Before we come up for studio, we go open the phone line, making call us. But for now, make we chop small break, then come back, begin hear from them one by one.
Come on, body, no poo body. The Law FM People's Court, they come back.
Law FM 103.9 is extending a promo package to small and medium-sized businesses who are looking to advertise their various products. For just 50,000 naira, small-scale businesses can get spot placement 3 times daily for 3 weeks. For medium-scale businesses at a round figure of 100,000 naira, you get spot placement 3 times daily every weekday for 3 weeks and a 5-minute recorded live session.
For further inquiry, please call 091 610 22 372. Again, 091-610-22372.
Law FM 103.9, the station for knowledge and entertainment.
News never slows down.
Despite several challenges they face.
And neither do we.
Years I was in PDP. Nobody can question my loyalty to the party.
That's why Nigeria's finest, fastest growing news station is Law FM 103.9, the place for knowledge and entertainment.
All differences aside, we are back. This is the Law FM People's Court.
This na the Law FM People's Court.
Alright, country people, we don't fall back again, ready to reason the matter 101 with you on top the People's Court. And for those of you that will be say they house, put here for grano, the two people carry matter on they won't talk now. And as you they hear them, send us text message for our phone number 070-322-77338. Again, now 070-322-77338. And for those of now go like call, bring body come down. Small time after we don't hear every way we say carry us come court today, we go begin take on our calls. For now, make we call on the person we be say carry complain, come give us. Oga, tell us your name and waiting carry you come People's Court today.
I greet everyone.
We greet
We answer
too.
you. We answer the greeting.
And
We
I want
collect
to
am.
use this medium to say thank you to.
Okay, you know your
You never even tell us matter. You don't already they give vote of thanks.
Put your come close to the mic.
Near the microphone.
My name is Ayodeji. I'm the one that brought matter to Law FM. Actually, I don't know that the matter will come to this level because with my own church mind, I sent a 50,000 to Mr. Ismail that I was told I used to give car to people. Like 8 months, I lost my job, and as a man, I'm a family man, so I was like, I can't be, and I have 2 kids. I can't just be looking and without doing anything. So I start telling people, this is, if I have this, if I at least transportation, I can go into transportation. So I met a brother called Mr. Ezekiel. He drives. So he now told me that he knows someone that he can introduce me to them. If I have maybe like 150,000, they can get me a car. So we were on that matter. I told him that for now, I've not worked for some times, so I don't have money to give for now, but let's see how it goes. I will make sure that at least I see what I can gather. So to God be the glory, I got, I think, around 150. When I got the money, he introduced me to a brother. So the person he introduced me to, he said, okay, no problem, as you go and price the car that I wanted to use, that they will give me a car. So I went to Beggar, that's in what's it called? Okay, he asked me what kind of car. I told him I do Uber, I can do Uber. That's a Corolla. And if that one did not come through, then I can do Sienna. Is not bad. So he said I should come and go and price. I went to price. I went to Apapa. I priced. So when I priced, I told him this is the amount. So when he told me, okay, he said no problem. He will introduce me to the person that does that. So, and I'm a kind of person, I don't. Okay, so he now said, okay, no problem, I should come to their office also time. I went to their office. That was around, I think, maybe April or so. I cannot remember. So when I went there, they said they cannot buy Sienna. So, and I left. So I now call him again. I said, okay, how about Corolla? He said, okay, no problem, that he will talk to them. So when he said he will talk to them, whenever I call him, he will say, okay, he will call me back. So I spend that money. In that process, I spend the money. That was the first. That one left. So, like after 2 months, I was not passing. I was just passing in their. I went to somewhere. Their office is around there before Bogije. That's Ibejuleki. So I went to Bogije. When I was coming, I now passed through that place because something was still biting me. There was no job. I was just walking around. I was depressed, nothing to, I can't feed my family. So, okay, and I said, let me even branch and see these people. So when I went there, when I now branch, though I didn't want to go without the consent of that person that introduced me, but I just said, let me go. So when I went there, when I got to the office, I met my person here. I met him in the office. So I now explained to him, this is the person. He said, okay, no problem. They wanted to even buy Sienna for like 3 people or so next week. And I should, how much do I have? I said, okay, for now I have 50,000 naira. He said, do I know how much they do collect? I said, okay, but for now, this is what I have. But I can maybe run around, maybe something could also come up. Okay, say I should come tomorrow. So I now went there the following day. When I got there, he now introduced me to Mr. Ismail. They call him Alaji. So with the way I brought up, I respect elders, leaders, anybody that is above me, I respect them. And when I hear the word allergy, I'm a religious person, so I say, okay, no problem. I think I'm free, and I don't think I'm in the wrong place. So when we met the man, he said, okay, Sienna may not be possible. Initially, I was told next week they want to buy Sienna for people. Maybe I should also, if I can, maybe I can also get it. So they now say, okay, no problem, that they cannot get Sienna, that they have one car they collected from someone. The car is a Safira. I did not see the car, but I was told that they collected the car from someone. The person has been using it for 8 months or so. That maybe they will give it, and that one is not my choice. But I was like, okay. They now convince me that you start somewhere, all those stuff, and I also.
Who in particular convinced you?
They went to him himself and the Mr. Ismail.
Who be himself?
As the one with the studio, so
the man in the studio.
Okay.
So they
Ismail
were
now be the allergy,
he's the allergy.
All right.
So you now say, okay, maybe okay, and I say, okay, no problem. Later, one man also came. This particular person in the studio now going to do some copy of forms, which is this. This is their forms. So
Okay.
he went to do that form that they wanted to give it to someone also. I don't know that person. So he did, I think he did like 4 copies. So me and I now transfer 50,000. Now this is what I have. I transfer it to Mr. Ismail. This is the copy of this thing.
Continue. When for that one,
I transfer the money to him. So I said, have you seen it, sir? He said, yes, he has seen it. So he now said, okay, maybe, and that was like 3 days to Ileya, that's Salah. So he now said, okay, maybe I should try and rally around and get maybe to look for 50,000 or so. Now if I can get that by Thursday, they come and check where I'm living, then they will start from there. So now my brain just say, okay, call this man and tell him, okay, because he was like, once you get that money on Wednesday you pay, on Thursday we come and himself will come and check where I'm living. And I say, okay, please can you come and check my place now? And I come with the money. He say, okay, it's no chance, all those stuff. So that one passed. But later I now reason that this, because I don't like disappointing person. Okay, what is there is, and secondly, I have a child. Is not. We have been on like 4 years ago. He has not been feeling too well. I'm not supposed to bring it to the
just sit down. May we
reach the matter we carry us.
Why I bring it to the matter is our reason is that let me just, because we were told in hospital to run some tests, and as at that time, and we were told that if you did not run that test, we will not be attended to. So I now called the man. I said, please.
Which man did you call?
Mr. Ismail.
Okay.
That please, Isaac, I'm not doing this thing again. First of all, you are not giving me what I want. Then I have a child to attend to, and I don't have other means that he should send my money.
Okay.
He picked my call, we talk.
When you make this call?
That was like, I think after Salah, 2 to 3 days after Salah.
Okay.
That should be, it didn't has entered another month. We started this issue in June.
So up till now, Oga, they never send you, sorry to butt in because of, we know say we dey work with time. Up till now, they never refund that money where you want me to refund you. Now the problem with that.
Not, yes.
Now waiting carry you call here today.
Please,
Okay.
don't, I beg, let me just,
Alright,
I will
alright.
cut it off.
Okay.
I will just cut it short.
Okay.
Actually, as I started, I did not have intention, and I don't know that it will get to this level. But I felt that I've been cheated. That's the feeling. This man, I call him every day. Before it was the day I call Law FM. It was that day I stopped calling them. But I call them every day. I call this Mr. Ismail every day. He doesn't pick my call. But this man here, sometimes he will not pick my call, but I was resilient that you must pick my call.
Okay.
Sometimes I will call like 10 times before he pick my call.
So that we go move on, this man wey you dey talk, are we people wey dey house? Some of them know they see the man. Tell us his name.
I don't know his name, but I know him. I know him as admin of the
okay,
office.
admin of that
Yes.
place. Okay, Oga, we go come to you.
I tag him as admin.
All right, we go come to you. For those of una wey be say dey house, this na People's Court for Law FM 103.9. Wey we dey sit down gather day, dey judge one or two matter wey be say some of our listeners dem dey carry come meet us for inside studio. If you carry your matter come like this man now, Mr. Ayodeji, we go also call the person wey be say dey accused. Make una two come talk una own. Then make we see how we go take roll piece inside the matter going forward. If you dey listen to us and you go like watch us live, we dey stream live for Facebook. That one mean say you go fit see our faces, even see them as they talk live for Facebook. To join the matter themselves, you go fit even still comment. For inside our Facebook na Law FM 103.9. Again, na Law FM 103.9. And for Twitter na @LawFM_radio. If na Instagram be your thing, na Law FM radio. That one again na Law FM radio. And if you want send question for any of them as they judge their matter, they go. Our studio number na 070-322-77338. Again, na 070-322-77338. Okay, sharp. Oga Ayo.
Yes, ma'am.
You fit identify this admin. You don dey talk. All of us dey look this man now, dey assume say na him. Confirm am to us 100% say na him sit down for here.
He's the one.
Na him.
Come close to the mic so that we go hear.
He's the one.
Okay. Okay, Oga, welcome to People's Court.
Thank you, ma'am.
Oh yeah, now introduce yourself.
My name is Francis Edom. I work with Confident Abiodun Properties.
Okay.
Limited. We sell properties, we buy properties, we also rent out properties for people. We buy cars.
Including cars?
Yes, we buy cars for people on hire purchase.
So you don't hear, because we dey move with time now, you don't hear wetin this man talk. First of all, na true abi no be true?
What he said is true.
All of it?
All of it except some.
Okay. Oh yeah, talk your own.
Now, let me begin. You see, he came to me through somebody that he called that was driving one of our vehicles, of which I asked him, who is the person? He told me the name. I said, okay, since the person is also applying for the same vehicle and has been given a vehicle, he applied for the same vehicle and has been given one. Then he introduced you to us. You are on the right place. He said, yes, you know that we have given cars to so many people. Of course, he begged me. He said he has a family, he has children, he has people to feed, and his work is finished. And he doesn't have a job to do. He can only rely on this hire purchase thing to make him live again. I had pity on him. I said, well, our company also give cars, but we don't give the type of car that you are looking for. The car that we give out to people is either Korope or Safira car, which people are riding on this road. And you too can also get one if you don't mind. He said the first time he came, he said, I don't think I will go for it. I said, okay, there is no problem. Since you can't go for this car, we don't give any Toyota vehicle or any other vehicle that you are asking for. The only vehicle we can give is Safira vehicle or Korope bus that you can be using for transport. And then he left. When he came back the second time, I saw him. I said, this young man, you look haggard and you look as if something is wrong with you. The only thing I can do for you is to beg my boss. The Ismailer is calling, is my boss. He gave out buses and cars to people. He helped people a lot of people. If he has come as this matter is, he gave him the form, because when I did the form, I said, this man is requesting for, he said he has only 50,000. What do we do for him? He said, no, we don't give a vehicle for that kind of amount. He was begging. I said, okay, until we reach outside where I went to do photocopy. I said, I will still beg the man. I begged him, and he said, okay, give him the form. I gave him the form. He transferred the money. I didn't know. He transferred it. It was Mr. Ismail, my boss, that told me that the man transferred 50,000 to me. I said, okay, that's all right. Let's help him. Let's try as much as possible to help him. As we are buying cars for people, he will be a good person, the way I look at him. After waiting for like almost a month, we discovered that he was not coming forward. And many cars have been bought. And his name was among them, Ayodeji. His name was there. I said, okay, since they have bought all these cars, and even some of the cars will retrieve from people, because people collected vehicles, but they drove it, they were supposed to pay weekly, every week.
How much?
That's about 30,000 per week. So since they could not pay after 1 month, we have to go after them. They'll say, you collected a car, and you have not come to us to complain anything, you have not done anything, you have not made payment. What do you expect us to do? He said he's trying, they will be begging. So even till now, we are still running after many of them.
Okay, Bros, because we move fast with time no dey like that. Sharp, tell us wetin be your quanta now with this man.
We had no case with him, because if he has come to us directly, because he has been calling, I said, come to the office. You collected form in the office. Come to the office. People who collected form in our office, and we discovered that they cannot meet up, the money is being refunded because they cannot meet up. They came to apologize. Sorry, we cannot meet up with your amount that you say we should pay. He did not come. He was busy calling from there, calling my boss. He called me, I directed him to my boss. I said, you send money to him. Call him. He will pay you. He was busy calling and sending tests, rubbish tests like that to him. So my boss was angry, but I just pleaded with him. Since you have given him form, let's consider him, even though he doesn't have money, if we are to return it, then we can do it.
All right. So, just to confirm, Oga, because we dey move with time, the reason why you come here today, Oga Ayodeji, now to collect your money back, Abi?
Yes.
All right. And wetin una want from am na for am before to come the office and apologize, Abi?
Yes, he will come to the office and return the form and apologize that I'm sorry, I can't continue with the business.
Okay.
That is all.
All right. We don't reach the segment of the show where we say we cancel now. We can't begin the ask una the question when you see for that story we know align and how una go tell align now. But contribute where they house if I get any question for them sharp make una send text messages to our studio number 070-322-77338. Again na 070-322-77338.
Okay, thank you very much, YRAY. This question or this case, to me, I don't see them as simple because Ogaidom here say they no get case with Ayodeji rather. Ayodeji say he wants his money back. Then say no worry, we'll give you your money back, but based on one condition, and that condition be say normal you get agreement say you go pay this amount. How much they say make you pay? Mr. Ayodeji,
so
you dey follow me? I say how much they say make you pay when you enter the company. They say make you drop certain amount of money, abi?
Actually, what?
No. I just answer the question.
Yes.
How much they say make you drop?
I was told to because of the condition of what I was looking for formerly.
Yes, if that Corolla then give you now, how much like you supposed drop?
150.
But now when they give you Safari, how
they
much?
They not give me Safari. They were like what he said. There are so many lies in what he was.
We don't want to go there. We don't want to go there. Make we not go there. Now peace we won't make. That's how we bring. That's how we get people's courts. The purpose now say make both parties settle their matter peacefully. You understand? So make we not open all those areas again. Now peace, but you just want to find out. Say okay, then say make you drop this amount of money. If you drop the amount of money, you go collect this car. But you now, you not reach that amount. Abi, true or false?
True.
Aha. So how much be the initial amount of money we then say make you drop?
I was told to if I can raise for 100 now.
100K.
Yeah.
But you know if it raise 100, so you can't drop 50K.
Yes.
You believe say after some time you go feel raise that money, complete and then collect the car. Abi? Now the
thinking when you get that time
because of the issue wey happen to you and your child, now you talk say you no fit come raise that amount of money, abi?
Yes.
Aha. So I don't know if na the truth, na the situation be this, Oga Idom. Yes. All right. So Oga Ayodele, they don't talk say now. Ayodeji rather, they don't talk say to sort this matter out. Before you go collect your money, say you go need to of course, nobody will don't make mistake, or you even admit say you make mistake.
When I make mistake.
Yes, because according to them, they say agreements dey, abi, and you said you signed the agreements.
I'm not signing any.
Okay, you not sign any agreements.
This is the form I was given.
There's no agreement.
Hello, one person at a time.
Okay, you not sign any agreement.
There was no agreement.
Now make you fill the form. When you return the form, I be that thing. I be the form. So as he no fill the form, he want the money. Return our form, we refund your money.
Okay,
now
so
you see when I understand.
So you go feel return the form to them now, and they go give you your money, but you go say sorry for harassing you, sorry say I won't do this thing, no, just to make peace. Now the main issue with this company they look for be that.
Okay, that one we cancel cross-examination. Make I call ask on my own question on behalf of the people, and this na the opportunity now for people with their house, if they get anything where they want to talk inside the matter, to begin send message and I go ask on now. The first person will be say, I know say Oga Ayodeji, I need you to near the mic.
Okay.
Body they bite you now, say no be so it happen, no be so it happen, no be so it not happen. But one of the reasons we make you come here today, not to collect your money.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I get what you talk inside. Say you call the coded, and no pick. Bros, I bet confirm saying call una. That's Oga Udom saying call una, and no pick.
That should be a blatant lie, because he called me. I told him, have you filled the form? I asked him, have you filled the form? He said no. Okay, if you have not filled it, come with your form to the office.
Confirm say tell you that one. Hello. Confirm say tell you that one.
He did not tell me that. What he told me when I was pressing him, when I was calling him, I felt that it was like, am I the one that you send money to? You did not say anything about form. You did not tell me. Why I didn't call you again was because you say call Oga. You say call him. Even there was a time you say Oga traveled to Kwara State. He lost someone that he will send your money on Saturday. 2 times that he said he will send the money on Saturday. There was a time also he said he will send the money, and he's not sending money. And whenever I call him, you refer that I should call him. I felt that maybe I'm disturbing you. I stopped calling you, and I was not calling the man, and the man is not picking my call. That was what vexed me. And one Sunday, I just heard the announcement that if somebody happened to you, law
okay, calm down. So, because now you don't talk your own, and it clear so na to no one more for you today. We get on our time. Oga Udom, you get one thing where you talk for your own testimony. Yes. You say in consent message begin the insult una.
Yes, he sent a text.
You get this? You get one of them.
Because we want them.
I have message I sent.
You get them. I beg, give us our
some of your messages.
When he did not attend to when
you dey talk your testimony, you say you just call, you did not do it. You not talk say you carry phone begin dey tell them.
No, never reach that. Me, I will not lie. I've sent this message to Law FM.
May we see the message.
I've sent it.
May we see the message.
I don't.
Give our counsel. Make you check.
Me, please.
Okay.
All right, country people wey dey house, the number to take chook mouth for inside this conversation. Hello. We dey charge people when they make noise for court. Once you talk your own, you go hear the other person. Oga Ayodeji, e be like say you no want peace. Relax. If you make noise again for this court, you pay money. You know say the hearing are free. The only thing where you go take pay money na your noise making. 07032277338 or 09095551039. Again, na 07032277338 or 09095551039. I will cancel.
Okay. YRAY and country people wey dey house, or you dey your car, or you dey your office, anywhere where you dey, or you dey for anywhere at all, they listen to us. This one are some of the messages with the permission of the owner. Now I wan read out too, and I go read out the dates where the messages in sent to Mr. Ismail. Maybe so Oga Idom, you go listen to them. So I see transaction receipts here. When I see, I don't know if the camera fit zoom closer.
Yeah, we can see it.
So that transaction receipts. Transaction receipts now be this one, and what I see 50,000 naira here. I don't know if our camera people feel zoom closer. I see on the 12th of July 2023. I see good morning, sir. Please, due to one or two family challenges and no alternative, the money I deposited, I would love to get it back. You can't drop your account number, can't drop and the name. You say thank you, sir. On 13th of July, that's the following day, send another message, the same kind of message. Then on August, that's 1st of August, he sent another message. You say, good morning, sir. Kindly send my money today. This is not fair. I believe so maybe you don't call them before now, before you come put this is not fair. Then on the 8th of August again, he say, please, he says, sir, please send my money today. He put your account number, then he say the bank as well. Say, why is the money has not been sent going to 2 months now, and you are not responding whenever I call you? God does not like this treatment. So he can't send one lengthy message on the 12th of August. He say, hello sir, you promised to call back on Thursday, you did not. The second time you made this promise, sir. Haba, for the past 2 months, now I have been asking for my money, no response. Sir, all I want is my money. Please send my money today, or if you don't want to pay the money, let me know. The God that created all does not treat us this way to withhold what belongs to us. This is not good. The respect that's Alhaji now made me to send that money. It is a situation that brought me to you, and you are treating me like this. You can't speak Yoruba there. You say inu Ọlọ́run kò dùn sí ohun tí
that thing no be culture.
No, Lord, God mind not pleased with what you are doing.
It's in the talk for English. Now you translate so.
So you can say still on that same day about 5:11. He say all involved is just all I want, or is just send my money. Ìbẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run. Fear God. Okay, today please send my money. It does not take anything. God does not hold us anything. And 5:14, you can say I'm not happy with this. And country people, all these messages where Mr. Ayodeji send, it shows say
you don't see insults.
I'm not saying insults.
Now what I define that? And it shows saying I
read messages. So this one, because you go see the blue, I don't know if the face don't close, I go see the blue tick.
Maybe say don't read that.
WhatsApp to show say person don't see the message and person don't read them. But this recent one, this one is sent them on the 17th, no blue tick. So it be like say they just look and the person don't see say na messages from this particular person and they don't read them.
Oh, I don't say na technology season I with this. So if you say they send a message, they respond, you delete them. Confirm say any of these messages, una not respond to them.
Well, those messages are not sent to me.
Now they talk.
They are sent to Mr. Ismail.
Okay, your guy.
The ones sent to me, I delete them because they were not.
Okay, now you, now personally, now I send insults.
Send a message to me Personally.
I will still.
They bring them because for people's court we dey like deal with facts.
Say na insults. They are all insults.
Say some more.
Okay, another thing wey be say, because on behalf of the people the questions now don dey come in o. Before I take them, oga Idom, na normal practice for na work say if person come pay money una dey give am form make e carry go, because we go think say if person come your company una go fill the form for there and e go submit go.
You know why? When we give you form like this, the form has next of kin here.
Okay.
It has a guarantor.
Okay.
Oh,
you will
okay.
take it home. Your guarantor will fill and put his passport. The next of kin will fill and put his passport. In case of anything, we might not see the person. We will go for the guarantor.
Okay.
That's what we do.
So una no dey give time frame wey be say if I give you form now, if una give me form now, una no go give me time say una get 1 month or you get 1 month to return this form. I una go just let the person anytime when the person come back. Oh.
See, because of the way he acted and the way he behaved, we believe that at least
no dey make noise for court. Continue.
At least he will be able to fill the form quickly and return it. You understand me? He will quickly fill this form and return it so that a vehicle will be given to him. That is the purpose of say, okay, take the form home. So you fill it and your guarantor will fill it and your next of kin too will fill it.
All right. 07032277338 or 09095551039. That are the number to send text message to if you say you get 1 or 2 questions for these 2 people before you say we go waka go the judgment. One person here they talk say CDA YRAY, Mr. Ayodeji in dey at fault, in breach agreement, just apologize and beg for your money. This contribution they come from BB International. And even self our oga Udom here will be the head of the operations for the hire purchase company don talk and say now wetin dem be tell you for phone. Now we need you to confirm say at no time during the process when you dey call this man look am for face eyeball to eyeball, he no tell you say just carry the phone call office apologize we go give you this money. He no tell you
at all.
He no talk am verbally, he no write am
at all. He never tell me that. He never tell me that.
Hello, you don't answer. He not tell me. Once you answer question, no tell me story again. Leave and there. Oh yeah, bros.
Yes, I told him because he doesn't have money. We cannot take that money. We have money. The company has money. So we cannot collect 50,000. What is it to the company when we buy a car of 1 point something, 2 point something to people? 50,000 is not compared to all those things. The only thing he would have done, even on his own without being told, is to bring the form. You helped me. You were the one that pleaded with your guy to help me and even give me a form.
That one did.
Please. I need the money because I have challenges.
So where your friend will introduce you to this man? Why you no contact and say see the Wakadon Dabaru? Oga, make I answer the question.
Okay.
So why you no call say the matter don Dabaru chook mouth inside I want my 50k. You contact your friend.
I call him.
What did your friend do?
He was like, why didn't I tell him before?
You know, so you been talk and say he no take that in friend consent before he enter that second time.
Like, why didn't you tell me before you?
Talk am as you narrate.
So he just bang the call.
Like
it was when I was calling that they did not pick. And
okay.
I called him.
So another thing be say all this agility where you say they call. Why you no carry body go their office?
I went to their office 2 times.
What happened?
I met a woman. They were not there. Nobody. They were not there. I met a woman there. I was even telling the woman, this is what these people did to me, and I was pained.
Oga, you get any information saying come on our office?
No information.
I don't answer. You don't talk finish. You don't get any information.
Information that he has come. If he has come, at least the secretary will tell me, because I know we went for an MTN job at Ogun State, where we went to build their.
Una go walk outside and una no hear anything saying
we
come.
have not heard anything. Even when he called me, I say I'm in Ogun State right now. Still, you will still call a guy if he has the time to send the money, please call him, beg him and say, please, I'm not capable of doing this thing again.
Okay.
So that he will go on.
You know what? We don't hear from una too, and like I talk, if we continue to hold una for here, Oga Ayodeji, you talk. What's in your mind? You just dey grumble.
It's lying.
Okay.
One at hello.
Ayodeji. Truth I want me to say.
Ayodeji, e get one thing wey be say elders dey talk. They say, and I need you to hear me o. They say for inside every matter na 3 sides dey. Your own o, e own o, and the own go. Now, I need you to tell me wetin you come here come for. Whether na the truth go on or be the money, wetin carry you come court?
So it's the money. But when people don't tell truth,
e be like say we go investigate the truth. Make we tell am make they hold the money. Shey na that one you want?
Maybe you should investigate the truth.
And then make we leave the money.
Abi?
How you say am?
Is that what you want?
Talk na. Oga, you dey do like say na you open the court for us. Talk. May we investigate the truth.
Is because even when we continue investigating the truth, they will still keep telling the lie. What I need is just my money.
And now we can't discuss now. You begin
come
that
here
matter
to
go
say
for truth.
we are telling lies.
It's lies.
Or
You no go talk that one for this station.
to
Say
resolve
person
it.
dey tell lie because we know they there.
Nobody take
Nobody
tell
follow
lie.
you dey there.
We know they
Nobody
there.
follow you
Maybe
there.
I have to come in now.
Your worship.
Mr. Ayodeji,
Yes, sir.
you don't say your opponent is telling a lie in court. You present your own facts. Let him present his own facts. It's for the court to decide from what I observe whether he is telling lies or not. For you to now say he's telling a lie, for all that we have had now, you are not doing well at all.
All right.
But before the
Small time now, yes. I believe so. We don't reach that place where we say we go listen to the judgment of your worship, Akintunde Isaac, wey dey inside studio. I think not like him talking not the observe una sins, but I don't know whether I still get any one matter one I want address for this issue. I be make we proceed. Both complainant and respondent. Una get any matter when we want to talk inside? Una quiet. I don't know. You not quiet. No.
We don't have any matter here. Although he breached the contract that he has with us, we were still lenient, trying to be lenient to him, but he brought it open to the world. This is a sacred thing that he has come to the office to do, to say, please assist me. He begged me particularly, and I talked to my boss, who is that Ismail that is mentioning. He was now blaming me that why did you even plead on that man's behalf for me to give him a car when you know he's like that.
Okay.
I say no. He's maybe things come up. That is why his behavior changed. So even if he came for a different purpose, there is no art to find a man's construction on the face. So there is no way you can see what he came for written in his face. So now that he comes here now to bring a matter with an empty form, even though he has felt part of it, I don't know what he really wants us to do for him.
Okay. We go ask him again for the avoidance of that, but we will just like use opportunity to remind una to say, una don't say before we come here, we even tell una say this judgment for here is binding because we want to make it so narrow peace. Nobody wants to hear each other share. That's why I told you they shout say the truth. Again we go ask you for the avoidance of doubt. Now the truth I mean that the money carry you come here. Ayodeji, talk to the mic.
It's the money.
It's the money.
Yeah.
Okay, no wahala. Oga Udom, person they ask you wetin even dey my mind. They say wetin be the assurance say you go give am the money if they give okay. They say wetin be the assurance say una go return this money give am.
We don't owe people money, and we don't even collect people money unnecessarily. We select the type of people that come to us. Even though people come to beg with money, we don't take. He came the first time with 150. We rejected because it's not the same vehicle that is looking for that we give to people. Then again, he came, we said, any type of I'm ready. I said, okay, we go for Safira. Maybe it will help you to solve your family problem. He decided to pick this form, which he paid her 50,000 naira.
Okay.
which he's talking about.
All right. Okay, country people, make we chop small break, make temperatures then for calm down, because the way Ayodeji they look me now, it be like say I go soon they owe our money and we go judge our matter for here. So make we first of all calm down small, then we come back and listen to the decision of the court.
This matter will continue after the break. The Law FM People's Court will be right back.
This is
The station for knowledge and entertainment.
Law FM 103.9. Where we play your music your way all day, every day. On Law FM.
On Law FM
103.9.
Law FM 103.9 is extending a promo package to small and medium-sized businesses who are looking to advertise their various products. For just 50,000 naira, small-scale businesses can get spot placement 3 times daily for 3 weeks. For medium-scale businesses at a round figure of 100,000 naira, you get spot placement 3 times daily every weekday for 3 weeks and a 5-minute recorded live session.
For further inquiry, please call 091-610-22372. Again, 091-610-22372.
Law FM 103.9, the station for knowledge and entertainment.
All differences aside, we are back. This is the Law FM People's Court.
Better judgment. They come on top the Law FM People's Court. This na the Law FM People's Court.
Yes, so country people, as it hot, no time to check time. We don't come back to listen to the judgments. And thereafter, you where you day has, but you don't be they bite you since to call us. We go put our phone lines for just a few minutes, make you call into the show, tell us how you feel, tell us anything we say you want to talk for your mind for inside this matter what you don't hear today on Top People's Court. Over to you, your worship.
Well, people who are there for house, we greet you once again. Now don't hear everything Mr. Ayodeji and Mr. Udong have talked. The first thing I want to say about this matter is that is number one a contract, an agreement between the two of them. You pay 100,000, we will give you a vehicle. Safira or what?
Yes.
You now paid 50,000 on pleading to them that you will complete that 100,000 at a certain time.
The answer. Okay.
You agree, you pay them 50,000, begging them that after some time, maybe some period, you pay the balance of 50,000 to collect the vehicle. Is that correct? That is correct from what you have said. Now, you did not go back to them after that time. You only call on phone. You were just calling. Did you go back to their office? You didn't go to the office.
I went to the office, sir.
Apart from the 2 times you said you went, which you denied. But you see, when you collect this paper already,
yes, sir,
and you pay 50,000, you have already entered a contract, of which you must complete before they can give you the vehicle. Yes. You did not complete it. In law, you have no claim against them at all. But going further, this is a people's court. We are not standing on, yes, these people must win, these people must win. Otherwise, if you go to the normal court, you cannot win in this case because you have collected, number one, the paper, which is your intention to follow up, to complete the contract by paying that 50,000. Now, the good thing about this case is that this person, Mr. Odong, from what is said before this court, they are not standing on that right that you pay. Now, there's one thing you two of you did not say, which I read from the brief that was given to me, and that is that did you tell him that if he doesn't balance the money, he forfeited the 50,000 he paid? Did you tell him?
We have not said that.
You didn't say. That is what is working for you, Mr. Ayodeji, in this matter. They didn't tell you that, and so because of that, and from what you have said, Mr. Idong, that you are willing to pay him if he come to apologize. That apology will cancel the contract that you have entered, which you are supposed to follow up and complete. Because they are not even saying they are not going to pay you, and they have not even told you that if you don't balance this money, we are not going to give you the vehicle. Mr. Idong, yes, for good corporate practice, even if you told him that if he doesn't pay, you are not going to give him back. Good corporate practice in order to promote your business as a honest business person, and for your willingness to pay. I want you to even go further beyond. It should come back. Come to you to beg, because begging is not part of business. Although it works on compassionate ground. Since you have agreed and you have been saying that you have money, you can pay him, I want you to pay him that 50,000 naira back, whether he apologizes or not. He that is saying truth. The truth is that if you have led them to believe you are coming to pay and you have not paid at that time, and you want your money back, I think it's common sense or even compassionate that, as a matter of good conscience, let me say good conscience, not compassion, for you to go back to make sure that you even kill fowl picking for their donut in order to collect your money. But for you to be calling, and from some of the tests that was read out, some of them are not palatable, because you are trying to incite God against them or incite them, and that is not business at all. You went to them, they didn't call you, and they gave you condition, you didn't meet it. So it's for you to not go back to them and try all your best as a decent person in order to make sure you collect your money, but you have not done so. So Mr. Idong, the judgment is that since you are not even saying you are not going to give them the money, you will even be promoting yourself. From somebody that called now, that person was even saying he has done wrong. He has even passed the judgment before I passed my judgment. So please give him back the money, and you return back their form to them, and let the case close. I want to say one thing. This court is people's court. Whatever we say here is judgment. And maybe you would think I just said it because I'm not wearing magistrate cloth or anything. But please, it is still binding on you. Because if you didn't pay, if you don't pay now, if you go to the normal court, they will still say, okay, you have brought your case to court, the court have had it, talk to him, talk to you, you have not paid him, they can come and collect the money from you. It's not a threat, but it's just a persuasion, so that you know that this court is not just talking anyhow or just some kind of no effect court. So Mr. Ayodeji, you have not done well at all. I will believe that if you go even not apology to Mr. Ismail,
yes,
will encourage you to do more. Maybe what happened?
Hello.
Maybe what happened is that because of your condition has made you to not even look at it that way. But if anybody is talking about the truth, if they want to stand on their right, it will not be good for you. It will not be good judgment. So, Mr. Idon, once again, tell Mr. Ismail that this court decided that for good business promotion, corporate decency, you give him back his money. Because the people outside there will not know what is going. They will not know what has transpired. They will just say, we have not given him his money. So please pay back his money to him.
All right, country people, we wish say we go fit go on. Now here we go first take back break, and this we will do the follow-up episode of, or the continuation of this particular matter for the next episode, will be Friday. So like this time, no day to check time. On to the next for Law FM 103.9. We thank everybody for coming, and to those of you who say try to call us and contribute, una do well. Thank you very much.